And that's the local news. For more in-depth coverage, tune in at 11 for... Sorry folks, this just in. Thrive Life has announced a flash coupon sale. Now through December 22nd, customers can take $25 off of any order of $125 or more. Is this real? Yeah? Wow. How cool is that? Well, hey everybody, this is Bill with Live Simple, Live Free, and yes indeed, Thrive has just announced a sale, $25 off of any order of $125 or more. I didn't know this was coming. This was just announced, and it was a surprise to me, and I'm delighted. Now, those of you who may be new to our channel and haven't heard, Thrive Life is premium freeze-dried groceries delivered right to your door. It's great for everyday use. Elizabeth and I use it in at least 50 to 60% of our daily cooking. And with a 25-year shelf life, it's also great for long-term storage. If you'd like to learn more about that, we have a playlist of cooking demonstration videos that we've done, and you can learn more about Thrive Life foods. I'll put a link right up here and also in the description below. Use coupon code HOLIDAY25 to get the discount. Now, this is a great discount because you can apply it to any order, and you can apply it to items that are already discounted, and I'll get to that in a second. You can only use one coupon code per order, but you can place as many orders as you want using the coupon code. So if you want to buy $250 worth of stuff, you can do 2 orders, $125 each, and get $50 off of your total amount. How cool is that? Now, here's how it works. Let's say you've never bought before, and you want to just go in and try it. You put stuff into your shopping cart and you apply the code to it. You're going to get $25 off if the order is $125 or more. However, in the shopping cart, you're going to pay retail price and you're going to pay shipping no matter how big the order is. It's great to get $25 off, and that's a great thing to do. But there's a much better way to get much, much deeper discounts, especially with this code. And that's the monthly delivery service. When you join the monthly delivery service, every single month as a regular thing, you get 15% off of all pricing across the board. So anything that you buy through your delivery service is going to be 15% cheaper. But then you also get free shipping on any order over $100. And shipping in the United States is 12%. So in the United States, if you place an order through your delivery service, you're going to save 27% as opposed to through the shopping cart. Now in Canada, shipping is 16%. So and you also get free shipping over $100. So that means that you're going to save 31% through your delivery service. But wait, there's more. When you are a member of the delivery service, you also have access to the monthly specials. And this month, here's the monthly specials. There are 10 items, and you can see that several of them are 25% off. So if you go into your delivery service and you order one of these, like the December specials pack, you're going to get 25% off, and then you can still add the code on top of that to get an additional $25 off. Now, if you're placing a $125 order, $25 off, that's 20%. So 25% off of the price plus 20% off for the code plus free shipping. That comes to a total of 57% that you're gonna save. Mind blowing. That's huge, and you can do this as often as you want. So to find the monthly specials, you want to go to the Thrive Life website. There's a link in the description below this video to find the website. Then you go here to shop, and you're going to see right here December specials. And those are all of the December specials. Of course, you don't have to use the December specials to take advantage of the coupon code. You can buy any of these products that you want and apply the coupon code to it. Now on the delivery service, you're in complete control. There's no commitment. You can cancel your delivery service at any time. You can change the amount and the order and the products that you order every month. You can place an order more than once a month. You can skip a couple months if you want to. It's really a no-brainer. It's an easy way to get the best possible prices on Thrive. And to be able to add this $25 off coupon on top of that, that's amazing. So I hope you can see the potential here, whether you want to just try it for the first time or whether you want to stock up your kitchen pantry or you want to stock up your long-term pantry. This is a great time to do it. Great way to do it. It's the cheapest prices available. Thanks for watching, everybody. Live simple, live free. You be blessed. We'll see you next time.